years, in the year 2019, TSF has organized a peaceful rally against Citizenship Amendment Bill. We all know not only in the state of Tripura, but the protest was held noticeable. And here in Tripura, we TSF organized a rally and called strike statewide on January 8, 2019. But during the time when the protesters are having a peaceful rally and peaceful protest, the government of the state and the police of the state opened fire and injured 7 supporters of our organization. We condemn the incident that has happened in the past, and today we all know we cannot forget the incident that has happened in the year 2019. What has happened to our supporters and all the public, especially the people of Dashram, Kamio and Mother. We all know the grievances and the suffering that they have faced. We also got to know that not only the people were sued, but also they are having a condolence program. But they even not spared it. They go and attack the program over there. We TSF stand with the people who have injured and a family who got injured and suffered from the movement. And TSF will always remain with them. And we want to urge the people of the state, why only TSF is organizing and observing this Black Day? Why not we come together as one and honor the movement? This movement is not only a movement of TSF, but we TSF want to pass a clear message saying that this movement should be a people and public movement. Let's not say it's a political movement, organizational movement. We should understand it's a public movement. We are doing for our people, for our existence. I want to urge in the coming days, let's observe the Black Day, not only here in Dashram or Madhav Kami, but statewide. And also I want to appeal the government of the state and the TTA-ADC government. Let's not forget the day. I want to appeal the government to declare Black Day as a holiday. This will be demand of TSF. We should respect the people who have suffered, and TSF will never forget their struggle and suffering. And also I want to pay tribute to our late Mantaral Kaiping family. I personally talked to them and invited them to come and attend the program. We not only lost and get injured, but we lost lives at this movement. So I appeal you all to support the movement and stand with us physically, morally, in what ways you can. That will be my request to the people of the state.